Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bob Marley's Exodus on guitar. We'll start with the fundamental chords, a minor, C, D minor, and G. The key to the reggae sound is a syncopated, percussive strumming pattern. Emphasize the upstrokes and use palm muting to create that signature short, sharp skank sound. This technique is crucial for capturing the song's infectious groove and feel. For the verses, the A minor chord is your home base. You'll often see a G over B chord as a smooth transition, leading you up to the C major. The main progression flows from a minor to C, then to D minor, and finally resolves back to a minor. Remember to keep your strumming light and bouncy, letting the rhythm guide your hand. This creates the hypnotic, driving feel of the song. The chorus of Exodus largely follows the same A minor, C, D minor, a minor chord sequence. There's also a fantastic, memorable guitar riff that often appears. You can play this riff using the open A string, the 3rd fret on the low E string, and the 3rd fret on the A string. Focus on the precise timing and articulation of each note. This riff adds a crucial melodic element to the song's powerful message. To truly capture the Exodus vibe, remember that reggae guitar is all about rhythm and feel. Don't let your chords ring out. Instead, release pressure on the strings immediately after strumming to mute them. This creates a scratchy sound. Integrate muted strumming between your chord changes for added percussion. Pay close attention to the original recording to internalize the precise timing and dynamic nuances. Practice with a metronome set to about 66 beats per minute.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.